news, the legendary actor Tom Cruise has spent £500,000 to rent 2 cruise ships to complete filming of Mission Impossible. If you believe